Okay. We just had a really bad rainstorm here, and I gotta show you. Well, it's actually still going on. I want to show you it. We're on the 4th floor here. That river is my street. My God. The entire street is nothing but a fucking river. Oh shit. It's still coming down. It's only been raining like an hour. There's a box. Been living here almost, actually more than 2 years. It's the worst rainstorm I've ever seen. Floating down the river. I bet this is going to be the cleanest the street's been in a long time though. God, it's all mud. You can see where it looks like a rapids. I don't know if you can see it on here, but I don't know what the hell that is because there was nothing there an hour ago. Must have been mud or something slide down the river or down the mountain. You can look, you see it. I'm actually in a valley of a couple mountains. This is great. As long as I don't get zapped, this is great. And in case you didn't read the notice on my posting, this is in Chengde, Hebei, China.